5-minute core workout for you today. All you need is a balance ball. But before we begin, make sure to tap that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with the latest fitness videos. So grab your balance ball and let's get started. Let's start it off by lying down on the balance ball. Go ahead and start by taking a seat at an angle right in front of the ball, but a little bit above the ground. Lean back, making sure your lower back is supported, feet are on the ground, and your abs are tight, so pull the belly button to spine. Hands are nice and light behind the head, look up at your ceiling, and when you're ready, let's crunch it up. Exhale, lift, inhale down. Warming up the abdominals really quick here, since we only have 5 minutes. Think about lifting high enough till your shoulder blades are just off that dome. Good, keep it going. Give me 5, 4, in 3, listen for the change, 2, hold this on top, and pulse, 8, 7, 6, 5, here's 4, 3, 2, singles up and down, 4, and lower, 3, you got it, 2, and 1, relax for a moment. Place one hand down, keep the other foot down, and then extend the same side leg up. We're gonna do the obliques with some knee twists. Ready? 8 of these. Crunch over for 8, 7, 6, keep the abs tight, 5, you've got it. In 3, 2, and 1. If you need a break, sit up for a moment, and then we're gonna get the other side. Okay, lie back down. Other hand down, other leg up, hand behind the head, and give me 8 twists. 8, 7, 6, you've got it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, relax. Those look easy, but they're definitely a little bit more challenging than they look. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and change our position. We're gonna lean on our sides over the dome. Give the ball a little hug. Place your inside knee down and other leg up. Bring this arm up and let's work obliques. Here we go, 8 of these. Exhale, crunch up and down for 8, 7, good, 6, 5, 4, 3, in 2, and 1. Good, from here, flip it around. In between sides, we have a plank hold. Elbows on the dome, toes are out, engage the core, squeeze the glutes, pull the shoulder blades in your back pockets. Hold here, about 10 seconds. Good, in 4, 3, 2, 1, and drop the knees. Let's flip to the other side. Okay, just like before, elbow down on top of the dome, inside knee down, other leg out, arm up, and here we go for 10, 9, 8, 7, you got it, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Flip it over, elbows down, and plank. Breathe through it. Four, 3, 2, and stop. Good. Sink back and stretch. Let's finish off with one more round of crunches. Take a seat back on the ball. Again, start by sitting a little bit more of an angle. Carefully lean back, make sure the lower back's supported, feet are down, hands behind the head, and let's crunch. Exhale, lift, inhale down for 8. Good. 6, 5, make sure you're not pulling on the head. 4, 3, and 2. Here's a small change. Pull up on an imaginary rope for 10, 9, 8, shoulders up, 7, 6, 5, you got it. 4, 3, 2, we're not gonna stop, keep going, crunch up and down. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, watch your balance on this one. We're gonna crunch, alternate knee lifts. Go, up, down for 10. Good, 8, 7, you got this. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You can reach back, give it a little stretch. Carefully come up, and we're finishing with lower back. Prone side down, you're going to be on your tummy. Again, just on the lower ab area. Arms down, legs extended. Alternate, one arm, one leg. Bring it down, other side. Lift. Good. Squeezing the glutes on top, feeling that lower back. Exhale up, inhale down. 3 more each side. Last 6. 5, you've got this. 4, 3, 2, and last 1. You did it. Good job. Let's do one more child's pose. Hands on top of the dome. Sink nice and slowly into those heels. When you're ready, gently come up. Take a seat on your dome. Let's just do a quick stretch. Grab the wrist with one hand. Reach over to the side. Good. And then center, other way. Center this up, bring it down, and you're all set. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you so much for doing this workout. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, check out my Instagram at Allyfitatl for more daily workouts.